Hi, my name is Chris McKendry and I'm here at Keren Smith Vauxhall in Cumnock. I'd love to welcome you and show you around and show you some of our Motability access. So at Keren Smith we have disability parking right in front of our showroom for easy access and comfort for our customers. Nice big double doors, very easy to get into. So at Keren Smith, we've specifically designed our showroom for easy access and comfort for our customers. Again, the showroom is brilliantly designed, so there's lots of space, very open, lovely and comfortable. And in Keren Smith, we have a couple of Motability specialists that are going to help you with your specifics, the options available and the different offers that are going to best suit your needs. We also have a very spacious waiting area with full tea and coffee facilities and also free Wi-Fi for all of our customers. And once you've bought your car from Keren Smith, we have a fully functioning after-sales department that can help you with all of your servicing needs. So at Keren Smith, we believe in a fantastic experience for our customers. We'd love to see you soon, and please phone us on 01290 422 440 to arrange an appointment with one of our specialists today. Thank you for watching, we really hope to see you soon.